My name's Noah Burton.
I'm Dr. Steve Bjorn. We're co-owners of Rehab, our physical therapy office here. I'd like to have you come in and take a look. So I grew up all over the place because my dad was in the Air Force, so we moved around every couple of years, but we kind of settled in Arizona, and so I went through high school and college in Arizona. I went to Grand Canyon University in Phoenix for my bachelor's degree, and then went up to Northern Arizona University in Flagstaff, Arizona for my doctorate of physical therapy, and worked in California for about 6 years before we decided to move to Texas and get closer to some family and be able to actually afford a house because California is insane.
So I grew up in Western Kansas in a small rural community. I went to college in Topeka, Kansas at Washburn University, where I got my bachelor's degree and then my physical therapy assistant degree there. And I worked there for a couple of years and then moved down to Texas as I'd done a clinical rotation here in this area and like the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And so I moved down here in 2004. And where I started working for a large company and met Steve, and that's when we had the idea to open Core Rehab. So Steve and I met, we both managed offices for a large company, and we just felt like that we could take better care of patients, staff, employees, and just provide a better quality care or better product by opening up our own office. So in 2007, we started Core Rehab, and we opened up our first office over in Bedford. And then a few years later, we opened up our office in Keller. And then now we have an office in Justin as well.
So in our logo, we have written there physical therapy with a difference. And the difference is the patient-centered care that we provide, that we're trying to provide care for people to help them get better, but also to help them have an enjoyable experience. It's a very family atmosphere, very friendly, fun atmosphere. And so we're trying to provide a place that people actually want to come to work on their recovery rather than dreading to go. And we have gone through extensive continuing education to provide the most quality of care possible. We have done many different manual techniques. We do all kinds of things that some people have never even heard of, from total motion release to trigger point, dry needling, cupping, instrument assisted soft tissue mobilization, lots and lots of things. We also have a lot of corrective exercise background. Both Noah and I are certified strength conditioning specialists as well, and we focus a lot on trying to help people to recover in a way that is actually fun and also provide the best quality of care and get the best results. There's been a lot of people that have had better results with the care that we provided than they've had with injections or medications or even surgeries in the past. And our mission statement that we created is to serve the community by helping people to restore their health, strength, and pain-free mobility through the highest quality of care. And that's what we really like to focus on and really want to try to provide to help people out. So a lot of people don't really understand what physical therapy is, and there's a lot more to it than a lot of people really know about. A lot of people have always thought that it's just a massage therapy or just a personal trainer or something, and physical therapy is actually a doctorate level profession. And so it's like a doctor for any kind of movement problem you have. If you had a problem with your teeth, you'd go see a dentist. If you have a problem with your eyes, you go see an optometrist. If you have a problem with any kind of movement, whether it's pain, weakness, or you're just real stiff and you can't move right, then that's what you come see us for. And we treat everything from head to toe, from headaches to plantar fasciitis and everything in between. So if you're having any issue with any type of movement, then we're the experts that you should see, because we get great results with all those things.
So some of the other things that people don't realize that physical therapy treats, that we get a lot of patients and have good success with, are number one would be vertigo. A lot of people don't realize that physical therapy can treat vertigo. We get patients that come in and say, man, I've had this room spinning for years and years and did not know that physical therapy can treat that. And we get fairly good results and get people well within just a couple of visits with that if the right things are done. We also specialize in balance training. Just like when people get older, they lose strength and flexibility, you also lose balance. And so that's a very important aspect that physical therapy treats as well. So the purpose of us doing this YouTube channel is we want to provide some information that's beneficial to the community in a wide variety of ways. We want to put out some different things to let people know all the variety of things that physical therapy can treat, as well as how core rehab is different and how we're a little bit different than the next physical therapy clinic down the street. We also want feedback from you guys as well. If there's something that you guys have a question about or want to see a video done on or want more information about something, please comment or send us a message. We're going to be putting out a wide variety of things, from things to help with body mechanics, to things to help get your kids more active, to things to help get yourself moving after you've been stuck working at home for the last couple of months, to a wide variety of other things. But if there's anything specific that you would like to see or that you want more information about, please send us a message or comment below, and we'll be sure to post some videos about that.
So a recent change that's happened in Texas is that we have the ability to have direct access. So when you have some kind of an injury or pain that has been bothering you, you can actually come directly to a physical therapist now, instead of having to wait to see a specialist in orthopedics or to see a family doctor and then just get medication and not really know what was going on. If you come in to see us right off the bat, then we can help you get better a lot faster.
Yeah, like Steve said, we're the movement specialists, so that's kind of our job. We also always offer free injury screens. So if you have something that's been nagging you for the last couple of months or the last several years, or have somebody in your family or a neighbor that's talking to you about their back hurting or their shoulder hurting, we always offer free injury screens. So just pick up the phone, give us a call. We'll sit down with you one-on-one in person and take time to kind of chat about what's going on and get an idea to better help you.
Okay.
Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.